name's Tom Cropper, own Twisted Cogs in New York. Bike mechanic, probably about 12 years-ish. Yeah, been in the trade since I was about 16.
My name's DENHAM ELVIN and I own and run DC Cycles in Southampton. I've been in the trade 10 plus years now.
I think the difficult thing was for the guys today was the time that was allotted for them, with a number of people, the experts, including myself, watching them, putting them under pressure. I think that was a difficult thing.
It's really hard when you're here and the clock starts going and you've got to do all these jobs, which you'd probably take a bit longer doing in the shop to make sure everything's right. And then you're pressured into doing it within the time.
We had to be really picky in particular to cut some very fine lines to separate the best from the really good.
We thought it would be a bit of a walk in the park, but there were a few things that happened that made it a bit of a challenge for us, actually.
We still are going Thomas.
Yeah, pretty good, pretty stoked. Yeah, it's been a pretty nerve-wracking day, and the build-up this week's been a bit intense. I've been trying to play it down all week.